Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting in Settings because turning off purchase sharing must be done by the family organizer. Sign in with that Apple ID, then open Settings, tap your name, and choose Family Sharing. Once there, look for Purchase Sharing. It's typically listed under Shared Features. Tap it to see the active payment method and linked accounts. You should pause any downloads and tell family members you're changing settings, because once you disable sharing, their access to shared purchases stops immediately. Now tap Purchase Sharing and select Stop Sharing or Disable Purchase Sharing. The wording depends on your iOS version. When prompted, confirm that you want to remove the shared payment method. This severs purchase access for family members. Make sure to read the confirmation text. It explains refunds and pending subscriptions. After confirmation, check each family member's account to ensure they no longer see shared purchases. If you change your mind, you can re-enable sharing, but purchases may finish by verifying on a family member's device that shared purchases are gone. Open App Store or Purchases to confirm. Once done, make sure to sign out and back in or restart devices. If the change doesn't appear immediately, propagation can take a few minutes. If someone still sees charges or if subscriptions behave oddly, check their subscription settings and payment history. If billing issues persist, contact Apple support with organizer details and recent receipts. They can investigate refunds or sync problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.